Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about Dialpad Talk versus CallRail and what is the difference. Gain the insights you need to spark growth. See every interaction with your ads, keywords, and campaigns. Then shift marketing dollars from what isn't working to what is. Comparison. CallRail. CallRail is a marketing platform for businesses that rely on quality phone calls, leads, and new customers to grow and succeed. Our software gives customers visibility into their marketing efforts so they know what's working and what isn't. Dialpad Talk. Dialpad Talk is a business phone solution built entirely on Google Cloud Platform that provides unequaled mobility, flexibility, and security to more than 62,000 of the world's most innovative enterprises. Dialpad Talk comes with built-in voice intelligence features such as real-time transcription and call summaries with highlighted action items. Integration. We don't just work with 700 marketing platforms, we make them better. In a few clicks, our call and conversion data fuels deeper insights automatically. We pair well with your marketing tools: Google Ads, Google Analytics, Microsoft Ads, Salesforce, and so much more. Partnership. We're better together. Here are 3 ways we can grow together: affiliate partnership, agency partnership, technology partnership. Join the most successful businesses on the planet. CallRail is a service that tracks and manages your phone leads, helping businesses to determine which marketing campaigns are driving quality leads. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about CallRail and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.